Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a classic dashboard plan with me for the week of February 1st through the 7th, and this is my work planner, so I use this for all things social media. So if you would like to see what I do, keep watching. Okay, I'm hoping this will be a really short video because I just spent a really long time on my big happy planner plan with me, like way longer than I should have. So I just want this to get done and be cute. So that's what I'm hoping for. I'm going to take this and cover up this whole section because I don't want the focus on, but if I white it out, I'm not going to have a sticker that's going to cover that whole thing. So I think I'm just going to cover this whole section myself. So let's go ahead and take a pencil and just mark this out here. I'm just going to take it to this area here. And then to here. Okay, now I'm going to get my paper trimmer. I don't know what's on there. Ew. Real life. Cut this area here. Okay, this is just Avery label paper I'm using. I used to get full sheets. Now I get the half sheet ones because they're also shipping labels, so I use those. I'd rather have the full sheet to cover a bigger area, but I kind of killed two birds with one stone using these because I mail a lot for Patreon. Okay, so we're just going to cover up this section. I know it's not ideal, but it is what it is. Trim off the excess here. Okay, so now we have like a clean slate over in this area. Okay, so I'm going to use some big Mambi sticks, and if you don't know what those are, they're like really big stickers. I got these at Joann. They come in a pack of like a bunch of sheets of different kinds. Bumble's barking her approval. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to take this girl because this is my work planner. So I'm going to make it kind of like work-like in here and use some of these work stickers. So I'm going to put her here. This is the area I use for affiliates. I don't have a whole lot that I have to write there usually, so I am going to bring this sticker up into that area, but still allow myself a little bit of room to write. And I know I'm cutting her in half, and I am sorry about that, but sometimes that's the way it goes. Okay, so that's cute. I think that's cute. Now I think what I'm going to do is take one of these box stickers and combine it with like one of these pictures maybe. I was thinking this one. And this is like so work because there's like my planner and my glasses and my coffee. This is like so me. And I know these stickers are big, but I also use a daily planner now, so it's a little bit less, there's like a little less I have to put in here now that I do the daily, but I still need room to write. So let's put it right here. I know, Bumble, I understand. And we're just going to bring this kind of over here. And I don't know what I'm going to write on there yet. I usually find like maybe something important that I have going on for the week or something I need to remember. So we're going to cut those off here. Okay, I think that's really cute. And now here, of course, we're going to need something. I'm thinking like a little quote, or maybe, ooh, maybe in like, what, Bumble? What? Where is it? Okay, here, take it. Go on the bed. Go on the bed, baby. It's right here. Look, it's right here. You go on the bed. Take a nap. What do you think the chances of that are happening? Of that happening are, I should say. So I'm thinking like maybe in the new Biz Babe sticker book, I was thinking maybe there's something in there. Let's check that out. I don't know that the colors are going to match, but there might be something there that we can use. So, ooh, the colors kind of do match, I think. Yeah, they actually really do match. I was thinking like a little clear quote or something. I mean, there's make today count, but it's kind of big. I'm going to take this big ideas sticker. I'm going to put it here. Because that's going to, like I said, that's going to be like an important area. So that makes sense to me. What else? I mean, I keep looking at these, but I don't know that it's the right size. It's like a little big, you know? How about one of these focus stickers? How about that? Kind of matches that. Okay, that works. All right, now over here, I thought maybe I would put this computer, this laptop. It's kind of weird how it's like, which way do I put it? I know now there's going to be a lot of decoration at the bottom of my page, and it like feels like it's very sticker heavy on the bottom, but we'll try to take care of that. Sundays I don't work as much. That's why I end up putting like these kinds of stickers on Sunday, because all I need is like a space for my Instagram posts that I'm gonna post on Sunday, and so I don't need a lot. Okay, it's looking really cute actually. So let's go back in Biz Babe for a second, because I could combine this with like a tiny little quote. Was there like any little quotes over there? I don't know. Bumble is really, really playing in the background. In the background. She's doing what she does, which is throw the ball under the desk. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so I have the Gold Star Quote sticker book here, but I think I'm going to take this. This is from the Biz Babe sticker book, and put this kind of down here. It says, focus on the next right thing. And the reason I'm doing that is it's going to pull in like this dark color over to here. So, oops, there's Bumble's ball. There's Bumble's ball. That's so funny. I put it on the desk because she's like really keeps throwing it under the desk for me too. to get, and I just got to teach her that that's not what we do. So I took it away. So now there's this little area, and I know I'm going to write here, but I kind of wanted a little tiny quote there because I thought it would be good to put that there. So I'm taking this little relax. I'm just going to place it like right there just to fill up that little like weird gap between this and this. And I just think it looks better now. So we got this like collage kind of look going, and I like it. I like the way it looks. I like the feel of it. So let's keep going with it. We can maybe stay in the Biz Babe sticker book since these colors are going to be in here. And I can put these little flags on, like right here, if there's a page of them. And I think I saw that. There's those. It looks like maybe I used a bunch. Maybe. There's those. I need 2 for each day at least. I really like these. What if I pulled these apart? I could cut these apart. Okay, that makes sense to me. But the other issue, and I'll talk about this in a second. Wait, let me put these down, and then I'll talk about it. Okay, sorry, I wasn't making sense a minute ago because Bumble was distracting me. Oh my gosh, Bumble. So I need 2 check marks on each, like actually I need 4. So I need 1. So this is where my Instagram photos go. So say I have one photo that's like before the pen spread, and then the second photo is like a lifestyle photo or something. So I plan that out in advance, but then I need 1 box to check off that I took the photo and 1 box to check off that I posted the photo. I also need to indicate whether it's color or white. I usually do that by C and W. So I know that that might be a little confusing, but I didn't do that here. So now I'm wondering like, okay, if I didn't do that, what am I going to use? I mean, I can continue on, but actually I don't know if I have enough for that. I might just do boxes. I might just take like this Muji and just draw little boxes next to it to indicate that like this is probably going to be posted. This will be like that I took the photo. Actually, maybe vice versa. This might be take the photo, then next to it posted. I just think it's going to be easier if I have 2, because what I was doing was like checking off here and then checking off on the other side. But I'm going to do that. I know like seeing this picture, people might be like, why are there boxes next to those? Well, now you guys know why. Other people will probably be confused when I post it. So for me, that's just like function, you know. And probably, I think I'm only going to post 1 on Sunday. I mean, I don't know why, but sometimes I only do 1 on the weekends. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write CW, color white, and that's typically what I do. I could write it in the box, but I kind of want to do it this way. CW. Sorry, you guys. She's been a piece of work lately. She's going to have to sit in my lap, and I know she's going to try to get that BALL over there, but she can't. So we need some, this is the section where I put my videos that I'm posting. So I need like a little thing that says YouTube videos. Let's look in this Biz Babe one. Or maybe we just get like, let me go back in the Colorful Boxes book and just get another, I know, baby, and get like a peach one. Bumble, you weren't good with it. I had to take it away. Ooh, there's blue too. Look, we could pull that blue in. Go outside, Bumble. I mean, that kind of makes sense, right? And there's blue there, so let's do that. Okay, so now let's get a peach box. If you're new to my channel, and like I know the videos lately have been like this, they're not always like this. They're not always like a lot of interruptions. Just lately it has been a lot like that. And but if you're someone who watches my channel, you know that it's not always like this. So I'm hoping that we can work this out and deal with this little behavior problem we're having lately. Because if you're not a dog person, like, you're probably not happy with hearing that, like, while I'm trying to explain what's going on. I mean, it is a distraction, so. Okay, I'm whiting that out so you don't see it underneath. But like I just want to say, it's also real life, and like I work from home. Like I don't have a studio. You know, it's not like I have a filming studio where I can go and it's nice and quiet. It's not like I have like a crew that's going to help me or take my dog for a couple hours. Like I actually exercised her for a long time before I filmed today. So why is that different? I guess it's just different from this. Oh, I guess maybe a black one. I don't know. So my point is, like, I have to film during the day. I can't film, you know, in the middle of the night. And this is just, you know, my life. Some people have kids crying in the background. Some people have dogs. It's just life. And, you know, this is something that happens if you're trying to work at home. Okay, let me get another black one, I guess. I'm not going to white that out. I was going to white these out. I don't feel like it. Let's just finish this up, shall we? Okay. So here we have, this is my schedule to film. I'm just going to do this in like italics. So those are all the videos that I have to film for the week. This is my section for Patreon, like all things for my Patreon and Patreon members. Then down here, this section, like I said before, is typically for affiliates and sponsors. I don't have to label these. I know what they are, but it's just helpful to me. You know, I like having things labeled. That's just who I am. And then over here is just a general to-do section. So I'm just going to write important. And then, like I said before, this is the YouTube videos that are being posted for that week. So I'm just going to write YouTube. Okay, I think we're done here. I think it's super cute. It looks really cute. I know that this blue doesn't match that well, but it all kind of coordinates together, right? So that's it from me. And let me know in the comments down below what you think. And I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.